Guys, I must tell you, I don't have light. I'm shooting this video without light, so please manage it. Hello my money makers. This is a brand new niche that hasn't gotten any much attention on YouTube Shorts. This video have been hitting millions of views on YouTube Shorts, and as time goes on, it will gain much attraction that the views will be ranking from 100 and something million views. Questions that I get always is, can this kind of videos be monetized? Honestly, this thing is not difficult for you to figure out, but that's by the way. All the tutorials that I've been releasing here is 100% monetizable on YouTube and any other platform that you can run the video. Now that reminds me, we are now 1,000 members on this YouTube channel. I can't thank you guys enough. To my returning subscribers, you people are the best. And to my new subscribers, I really appreciate all of you. I am a Nigerian-based tech content creator that have vowed to open your eyes on the ways you can make money through content creation. Even if you are shy, you don't want to show your face. And at some points, you are showing your face and you still want to have other faceless channels. My channel is the only place that you can get such. I give you all the teachings for free. And I teach like the way a 2-year baby would understand. So I wouldn't want to go further. Let's talk about what we have today, which is this particular video. Take a look at this channel. Whatever I'm saying here, I have my proof. Just look at this channel. This channel is doing amazingly well in this niche, and this channel uploads 2 videos in a day, which is very simple. Their videos are very simple, and this is what I'm going to teach you: how to create these luxurious videos, these luxurious items with AI. On my channel, I teach you how you can be a successful faceless content creator using AI. I research ways, I look at things critically and bring up ideas that can make you earn on this social space. Let me teach you how you can create this kind of videos. You can post it on Instagram Reels, you can post it on TikTok, you can post it on Facebook Reels, and you can also post it on YouTube Shorts. And if you want, you can combine them to be a long form video. So go ahead to hit the like button. Support me by subscribing to this channel. Let's go and learn. Let's go. First, go to their channel. This is their channel. Open the one you want to generate the picture. Screenshot it. Go ahead and screenshot it. As you can see, they have millions of views here. Okay, just pick any one. Let me screenshot the first one. They have different designs here. Look at this. You will see all of them. So let me screenshot the first one and take it to ChatGPT so that we can get our prompt. Alternatively, I can give you my own prompt. Looking at this place, this is my image prompt. I mean, if you want to generate the images, you don't want ChatGPT to suggest for you. But if you want ChatGPT to suggest for you, just screenshot the image from that place, then give ChatGPT this prompt, generate a detailed prompt for creating this image based on the description provided. Okay, let's do it together. If you click on this plus sign, go to this place, import the image that you screenshotted. Now to this place, you now drop this prompt, hit on generate. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. Now you go ahead and highlight it and go to generate the image. Okay, but before then, you can still tell ChatGPT to give you similar prompts for similar images. Okay, so this is what I wrote: create then another prompt inspired from above prompts input S, because I did 2. So you go ahead and hit generate. So ChatGPT have given us the 10 prompts. You can still generate more prompts. Now the next stage is to generate our images. You can use Techmom AI, you can use CG Dream, and you can also use Leonardo AI. So let's make use of Leonardo AI. Go to image creation. Now you can do some settings here. I want it to be on flux dev. This is where you have to paste that. Let's clear this. So once you paste it, you go to this place and tap on create to start generating. You can see it here. It will generate 4 images. So here are things that Leonardo AI gave us. You can see it's very beautiful, and look at this one, very beautiful. So this is how you can get your image. Now I did an experiment. I have to choose Phoenix 1.0 to see the one that gives me what I want. You can see this is what Phoenix 1.0 gave us, and this is what Flux gave us. So from this place, I did the setting here. This place they wrote Phoenix 1.0. The first one that I used was Flux Dave. So you now choose the one that suits you. But I think this Phoenix 1.0 is the best. Look at it, very fancy, very beautiful, very classy. Now I want to tell you something. If you want to get the best result, switch to desktop side if you are using a phone. But if you are using a laptop, you can have access to all these tools. Now if you are using a phone, just click on the three dots here. You will see desktop side. Once you do it this way, it will change to this setting, and this is where you can now do the proper setting. Choose your image dimension. If you are posting on YouTube long form video, you choose 16:9. If you are posting on YouTube short, choose more. You will see it here. You choose the Instagram or the TikTok frame. So any of these can go. Preferably go with 9:16 or 16:9. Okay, before you start generating your image. And also make sure you choose Phoenix 1.0. It gives the best results. Without this, you can just do your normal setting here. You want 4 images, and that's it. So you click on generate. You can see the frame is different, right? So that's it. You can see the other one. You can see the frame of this one. So that's how it works. Let me zoom it a bit. So that's how it works. So in just 5 minutes, I have created quite beautiful and luxurious items here. You can see it. Don't forget, Leonardo AI has their paid services. You can use it 4 times in a day. 4 times in a day to generate 4 different items in a day, and then they will ask you to upgrade. So in 10 minutes, you can just decide to generate up to 10 different designs, different beautiful home stores. Do you understand? You can see the one I have here. That's all, within 10 minutes. Now the next stage is to convert it to video. Those images to video. We are going to make use of Video AI. You can also make use of Clink AI, and you can also make use of Hello AI. These 3 AI video tools works perfectly. So let's try it now. So go to this place, image to video. Now go to this place, bring your pictures. Let's bring one here. So you come to this place, it's optional too. Just write something about the image. I just wrote view all the sides. You click on create. It will start creating. So here is what Video AI gave us. Let's play it. Beautiful, beautiful. You go ahead and download it from here to start downloading. So let's bring another one. Add the optional. Let's hit on create. It's creating. So here is what it gave us. Now the next stage is now to edit our videos. Okay, the video editing is very easy, no stress. It is stress free. So import the videos. Okay, now this is it. So that's how you keep adding at least 10 pictures in each video. Make sure you add 10 pictures, okay, so that it can be a bit long. Let's take a look at their own. They just uploaded this one today. Okay, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is basically 10 pictures, 10 videos. Okay, now there is something I noticed. You can delay the speed, reduce the speed like this. Then you add a sharp sound, captivating sound. You can use their own sound. Once you download the video, you extract the sound. So let me reduce the speed first. I'll show you. So I can decide to copy their video, go to save from net to download it, just to extract their audio. You paste the video link here. You go ahead and download it. So when it is processed, you download it. You will see it here. It's downloading. Let's go back to our CapCut. This is our CapCut. You click on add audio. Click on extract sound. Now this is their sound. I'll do it this way. One thing I'll tell you is that if you are talking about toilets, please make sure you generate different videos about toilets, different luxurious videos about toilets. Okay, you can see that I mixed it up here. I added, is it bath? Yeah, I added it here. This is bed. So you shouldn't mix it up. You can just add different toilets, okay, the way they did. So let's see it. So once you are done, you go ahead and export. Make sure you are adding at least 10 different toilets or 10 different bedroom, 10 different bath. Okay, we are good to go. Don't forget to crop out these parts that comes with video watermark. You crop it out and then add this so that you can fit the screen. Very beautiful. So that's all. I hope you love this. In my next video, I'll bring another hot niche that you can go into. Remember, you can have as multiple channels as you want.